Moodle, ma'am.
Why? Why?
Can I show these questions, ma'am?
One second, I'll show you. I can show you the same. Are you able to see my screen so that everybody can watch? I can even show you what are the things available in Moodle.
Okay, ma'am.
First, we'll clear that. Okay. My point is no need to get panic. I'm always there. Even out of college hours, I can teach you. Okay. See? So this is announcement. This is from a teacher's side. Okay. Changing my role as a student. So this is how you will see. Yeah. So this is how you're looking at the screen. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in announcement, if you go, you can see the textbooks and references. So these are supposed to be the textbooks and the references for this subject. Clear all of you? Is that clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And here I have posted your syllabus as a PDF with once again the textbooks. Okay, so here from here you can download your syllabus. And coming to the next part, you can go and click each and every link where depending upon the topic you have the video, so you can watch the videos and it will ask you to jump to the next. Okay, so this actually creates the sequence which video has to be watched first and second, third. Okay,
Ma'am, your screen is not presenting, ma'am.
is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody would have come. See, if I'm presenting, if somebody is clicking presenting, then my screen will go. Are you able to see now?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I'm just clicking this review of signals and systems, the topics of videos displayed here are belonging to this topic specifically. Okay, it will ask you, see, there is one more jump option. It will ask you to go through the sequence. So if you're clicking that, you will, like a book, you can go page wise, you can go topic wise. Okay. So all these videos we have already seen. We have seen in the class. Okay. Then coming to the assessment. So this is a weekly assessment question for us. I have asked, check whether the system y of n is equal to, some problem is there here, x of n plus 1 minus x of n minus 1, linear or causal, time variant or invariant, causal or non-causal for 5 marks, and compute the 4-point DFT of the following sequence x of n is equal to this from the resultant x of k obtained from, find the DFT, IDFT to get the signal sequence x of n. Okay, so this is actually the question and I am going to teach you how to do this. Hope you are familiar with how to find out whether the system is linear or non-linear, time invariant or variant, or causal or non-causal. I have taught you this in the first class. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible for you? See, I have changed the role as a student and I'm looking the assessment as a student. So this is the view. I'll check for y thumb is coming here. It is x of n and y of n. Okay, I'll change it. So these two are the assignment questions. Look at the videos, and see to that how you are answering. Shall we start today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear for you all?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you don't have any skill assessment as such, but we want to assess you weekly whether you have learned that topic or not. Okay. If you have doubts, you can clear always. Do you understand what I'm saying? Shall we get to the topic?
Yes,
I don't
ma'am.
you have problem in proving whether the system is linear or non-linear, time invariant or variant, causal and non-causal. We have seen sufficient examples, right? And you are not new to this. You already know how to prove this. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
With that trust, I'm just moving on to the next question. Okay. So I'm just going to teach you topics related to how to solve this problem. I can show you tutorials. Shall I close this window? So I'm just returning to my role as a teacher. See, I have created a weekly assessment. So I just have edit settings. It's correct only here, but I don't know why is it showing a hand symbol there. See, this is the window I have put in. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
It is showing y of n only, but I don't know why it is so surprising that it is showing some thumb symbol there. Okay, anyway, I'll just take a pic and post it in your group also. Is that okay? So I don't think there is. So the deadline for submission of this assignment, look at the deadline. From 4th August midnight it is available till 7th August. This is Friday up to 12 p.m. it is available. Do you understand? Shall we have it Friday or Saturday, ma'am?
Friday, ma'am.
Friday, is that okay? Somebody told me, I understand, children, it is very tough to manage online classes, and it is, I do understand that others will also give assignments heavily. Okay. Is that okay? I'm just asking you in the open meeting. 7th August, is it okay, or shall I change it to 8th August? 8th is Saturday. So Saturday, shall I allow you up to 12 o'clock? If you are asking me that time, I need all the assignments, all 43 or 48 assignments in this class to be submitted at before that time. Girls, somebody were asking me yesterday. Why no answers? Are you all taking your breakfast? Shall I freeze this? Why nobody is answering? Or am I audible at least?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then why nobody is talking? Whether you can submit the assignment on 7th before 12 o'clock? I didn't understand why you are all keeping shut. You want me to keep it on Friday as deadline or Saturday as deadline?
Saturday, ma'am.
Saturday, ma'am.
Saturday, ma'am.
Saturday, ma'am.
Why are you not speaking? Well, I'm asking. Okay, I have changed the time till 8th August 23. That is 11 p.m. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So till that you have time, but it doesn't mean that you have to submit at the last moment. You know how to submit for Moodle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Should be lesser than 20 MB. So be very careful. Submit it neatly. After scanning it, submit it neatly. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Shall we get into the topic of today's session?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. Yes or no? See, weekly we'll have 2 hours for Moodle. For giving attendance for that 2 Moodle hours, we are giving this assessment and or assignment, whatever it is. Okay. For this,
Okay, ma'am.
for this 2 hours, I will mark the attendance based on the way you are attending the class. Okay. If you are not attending the class, I will not give you attendance. I am making it very sure. Do you understand? For this 2 contact hours, see, we have been asked to take contact hours for 1 hour or 1.5 hours for 4 credit paper. So I will have this session as an interactive session, if at all, if you have any doubts, or I'll teach you how to solve the problems. Do you understand? For the rest of the 2 Moodle hours, that is on Tuesday, 8 to 10 a.m., you have to definitely do the assignment. I have marked the attendance. You might be surprised, ma'am, you have given me attendance. No, it is open till Saturday night, 12 p.m. So, if you have not, I will check at 10 p.m. I will probably check at evening 8 p.m. If all have posted the assignments, I will give you attendance. If not, I will just revoke that attendance and mark you as absent. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you have
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
The problem given to you is very simple. The ultimate aim is to understand the problem fully. Okay, ma'am. So today's class is related to that weekly assessment question. We have seen what are systems, what are signals, what is discrete Fourier transform, what are the properties of discrete Fourier transform, all those things we have seen. What are the applications, advantages, what is the necessity for going in for discrete Fourier transform, all these things we have seen. Now, the definition. So once again, a recall of what is DFT. Let x of n be a finite duration sequence. The n point, I told you, n stands for the length of the sequence. Capital N point, DFT of the sequence x of n is expressed by x of k. X of k is actually the frequency domain, that is discrete Fourier transform. X of k is equal to summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into e to the power of minus j 2 pi n k divided by capital N for k is equal to, see, this is time domain and this is frequency domain. So time takes the length from 0 to n minus 1. Here we are saying capital N. Here I am counting the 0th sequence also. So k equal to, see, I'm stretching the time domain from 0 to n minus 1. Then obviously the frequency domain also will remain in the same limits, right? So k equal to 0, 1, up to n minus 1. So there is no change in the length in time domain and frequency domain. I told you these two are Fourier transform pairs. What is Fourier transform pairs? Like equilibrium. If I'm converting time to frequency, once again, if I'm feeding the same frequency as input, if I'm reversing the process, it gives me the same x of n. Okay, so x of k, I can find it using this formula. This is discrete Fourier transform. The corresponding inverse discrete Fourier transform is x of n is equal to, I can get simply, if I'm giving x of k, you can easily find using the same procedure with the formula to find out what is x of n. So it is 1 divided by capital N. Now, it is the input given to us is a frequency domain sequence, right? So the limits has to be for frequency domain. K equal to 0 to n minus 1. X of k into, I told you the only difference is, see, look at the symbol. Here you have a minus symbol and here you don't have that minus. Except for that, This 1 by n is the only additional thing. So e to the power of j 2 pi n k divided by capital N for n is equal to 0 to n minus 1. This is called as, this DFT and IDFT equations are called as discrete Fourier transform pairs. Any doubts in this formula explanation? Any doubts? Am I
No,
audible?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
If the formula is clear, the problem is clear to you. That is what
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
saying. Okay, ma? So now tell me, what is x of k? X of k is equal to? X of k equal to, read it. Read it.
Summation
Uh,
n equal
Summation
to
n
0
equals
to
to 0 to n equal
uh,
n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi n k divided by capital N k equals 0 to 0 comma 1 sum of n minus 1.
Sum of 11. It is starting from 0, 1
Okay.
up
0
to n
1
minus 1.
up to n
0,
minus
1, 2, 3, 4 up to n minus 1. Okay.
1.
Okay, so the corresponding IDFT. Why do we say it is Fourier transform pairs? Because if you are giving x of k, see in some of the chemical reactions, see I'm putting all the scrap plastics to mold a bucket or something. If I'm giving the same bucket, will I get the same thing back? In some of the process, it is not possible. But here in this discrete Fourier transform, it is so lucky. It is a reversible process. So x of n can be easily got by using 1 by n into summation of k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k into e to the power of j 2 pi n k by a capital N. Now
Okay.
we are going to look at the tutorials. How to solve? If I'm given with the sequence, so all these properties I have shown you already, right? Linearity, shifting property. I can send you this PDF, don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It's my handwritten notes. Yeah. So the first problem is, find the DTFT. So DTFT actually we need it, but you can do it directly. I'll go to DFT. Yeah. So the first problem is determine, is the screen visible, ma? Please stop me, otherwise unnecessarily.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right. So now determine the DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to 1 by 4 for n is equal to 0 to 2. That n takes the value. Now, can anyone tell me what is the value of n here? It is 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 2. What does it mean?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2.
Very good. 0, 1, 2, because it
1
has
2.
are equal to, right? And it is 0 for otherwise. Okay. Now, what is the length of the sequence? Tell me, what is the length of the sequence? The functional representation.
2.
Yeah. Come again. Okay, we'll write the formula first. We need not decide anything as such. Now, x of k is equal to, I'm writing the formula because x of n is given. They have asked to find a DFT. So, x of k is equal to, I'm writing the formula here for k equal to 0, 1 to n minus 1. Now, what is the value of capital N here? Tell me. Capital N is equal to, you just
2.
told me now.
2.
Very good. It is 2. Why? Capital N is not equal to 2. Capital N is equal to?
2.
No. Capital N is
3,
equal
ma'am.
to? What are the values of N? Small n. Small n, what are the values?
0, 1, 2.
0 1 2.
0, 1, 2. So total count is now capital N. Capital N is
Yes,
total
ma'am.
length of the sequence. In that case, capital N takes the value 3. Right? Right.
3.
So 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? It is 2. Which means
2.
0, 1 and 2. Okay. So similarly, k takes the value 0, 1, n to n minus 1. We know n is equal to 3. Right? So k, if n takes the value 0, 1, 2, k will also take the same value 0, 1 and 2. Do you understand? So what is given to us? X of n is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This is for n equal to 0, this is for n equal to 1, and this is for n equal to 2. Understood?
Ma'am.
Right. Now, this is summation. Summation in the sense you have to add all the values, isn't it? So now expand this formula. N equal to 0. What is the value of n equal to, how will you write this formula? N equal to 0 to n minus 1, x of n. So how will you just split it into components? First one is x of 0 into e to the power of 0. X of 0 into e to the power of 0. X of 0 is here 1 by 4, isn't it? So 1 by 4 is written as the first component. Second component is x of 0 into e to the power of minus j 2 pi. N takes the value 1. Here n is taking the value 1. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what happens? N is taking the value 1. K you are not supposed to expand. Why? Because K is also a varying factor. N is also a varying factor. First thing, you find out all the values for n equal to 0. Expand the values for n series, and then we will substitute the values for K. Okay, so now what happens? I have substituted for n equal to 0, this is the term, and n equal to 1, this is the term. N equal to 1, this is the term, and n equal to 2, this is the term. Where omega I have taken as 2 pi k divided by n. I am assuming 2 omega is equal to 2 pi k by n. Suddenly, we call that factor as angular frequency component, that we will see later on. Okay, so how can I simplify this? 1 by 4 is common, 1 by 4 is taken outside, and e to the power of minus j omega into 1 plus 2 cos omega. Why have we written like that? Tell me. You're taking e power minus j omega as common, leaving the other terms, you get this formula. Okay, now expand the series. Omega is equal to, we know what is omega. What is omega? 2 pi k divided by capital N.
2 pi k
divided by 2 pi k
N.
divided by capital N. Because why do we do all these things now? Since if you have so many terms, you might miss out any constant terms. That is why we have used omega. And once again, after using it and to find the final expression, we are just reworking back, right? So 1 by 4 into e to the power of minus j 2 pi k by 3 into 1 plus 2 cos of 2 pi k divided by 3. Okay. Now, what is this? Is for k equal to 0 to n minus 1. What is k equal to 0 to n minus 1? K equal to 0, 1, 2. Here I have written as n minus 1. Here it should come as 0, 1, 2. So x of k is equal to, this is the expression for k equal to 0, 1, 2. Now what, see, this is the final expression for the simplification in x of n. Now what are we supposed to do? We have to substitute k equal to 0 in this equation and find out what is x of 0. We have to substitute k equal to 1 in this equation in order to get x of 1. And we have to substitute k equal to 2 in the same equation in order to find out what is x of 2. So that is the final answer for x of k. But since this is a 2-mark problem, we have stopped here. Okay? Is that clear for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll go to the next problem so that you can understand. So here the sequences. Now tell me what is the length of the sequence. It is given as 1 by 5 for minus 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 1. What are the values of small n? Tell me.
0, ma'am.
0.
What are the values of n?
Minus 1,
Minus
0,
1,
1.
zero,
ma'am.
Minus 1, 0, 1.
Minus 1, 0 and 1.
1.
What is the capital N value? Okay,
Zero.
capital N value is 3, right? So I hope you understand. See, the 0 marker is in the center, which means this is n equal to -1, this is n equal to 0, and this is n equal to 1. The same thing, use the same formula, expand the sequence. First expand n equal to 0 to 3. Keep k as constant. Then after getting the expression, expand the value for k. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We shall go to another problem. Let's say, see the sequence. Derive the DFT of the sample data sequence. X of n is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and compute the corresponding amplitude and phase spectrum. Do you remember what is amplitude and phase spectrum? In signals and systems, amplitude is amplitude means magnitude. Magnitude is modulus of that sequence. So what have they asked for us? They are asking us to find out the discrete Fourier transform of the sequence. What does it mean? The output that we obtain is x of k. What and compute the corresponding amplitude in the sense we have to we are supposed to take the modulus of x of k. Modulus of x of k is amplitude. Angle of x of k is phase spectrum, right? So we'll just see that. So the formula, as usual, you write formula. Now, for k equal to 0. So at the value, now tell me what is the n length of the sequence n? Capital N equal to?
6.
Very good. N equal to 6. So n equal to 6 na, it is from n equal to 0 to capital N minus 1.
5.
N minus 1 becomes 5. Okay, va? Since it is not having any complex conjugate, we are simply substituting. See here, here I have substituted k equal to 0, k equal to 1. Not necessary. You expand first x of n for 0 to 5 and then substitute k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Right? Now what is the function? K equal to 0, x of 0 we can obtain is equal to the summation of n equal to 0 to 5. You write on the expression. Now n takes the value 0, right? So e power 0 becomes 1. What will happen? We know the sequence x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2. What is x of 0 given to us?
1.
1. X of 1, 1. X of 2, 2. X of 3, 2. X of 4, 3. X of 5, 3. Right. So if you add all those values, you get 12. So this is supposed to be the value for k equal to 0. Here I have expanded both simultaneously, but I'm telling you not necessary that you have to expand simultaneously. Okay, so the next one is for k equal to 1. What is the output that we get? It is x of 1 is equal to summation of n equal to 0 to 5. Write on the same formula. And now n takes the value, now k takes the value 1 here, whereas n is a varying constant from 0 to 5. So expand that equation. You know what is how to calculate the e power values? Yes or no?
Euler's property.
E power is cos theta plus j sin theta. E power j theta is cos theta plus j sin theta. What is pi by 3? Pi stands for 180 degrees. Pi by 3 is 180 by 3 is
60, ma'am.
So cos 60 plus j sin 60. Okay. And then what is 2 pi by 3? 2 pi by 3 is 360 divided by 3. Right? Right. 360 divided by
270.
120. 120, ma'am.
120 degrees. Okay. Then 4 pi by 3. Pi by 3. So depending upon that, and you remember that cos table, trigonometric table, sin 0 is 0. Do you remember the table?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the standard values that we have already seen. Tell me. Tell sine 0, 0, and then
Sine
sine
91.
sine 91. இடையில இருக்கிற values சொல்லி பார்க்கலாம். Sine 45 degrees. Sine 30 is
1 by 2.
2.
sine 45 is 1
1
by
by
root.
root 2.
1 by root 2.
And
Root
then
3 by root 2. Root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2 and cos is அப்படியே உல்டா and you know that tan value is by cos. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but tan we need not require, for cos we need, and for some of the values you need not worry, you can use your calculator to find out. Okay, va?
Okay, ma'am.
Use your calculator and find out e power j theta. This is so e power j theta is e to the power of cos theta plus j sin theta. If it is e power minus j theta, it is cos theta minus j sin theta.
Sin theta.
And find out the value of x of n. Like this, you have to substitute for k equal to 2 up to what? Because n takes the value 6 up to 5, right? N minus 1. So k takes the value up to 5. You have to substitute and repeat the same procedure. And this is the answer that we are getting for all these substitutions. So x of k equal to 12, comma, all these are the substituted and find out answers. Okay. So this is the answer that we are getting. Now how to find out the amplitude spectrum or otherwise magnitude? Modulus of x of k, how will you write? Modulus of x of k, it is equal to the square root of r equal to a plus jb. Do you remember that expression?
Yes,
R
ma'am.
to a plus jb. How will you find out the modulus of r? It is equal to square root of a square plus b square.
B square.
Right? So that
Yes, ma'am.
that is actually done here. When somebody is asking us to take the magnitude, you are removing all the imaginary components and squaring it. Okay. So here what is the case? Imaginary part is 0 here. So simply I am taking this as a. Real part is now a. So a square. Square root of a square becomes the same thing, 12. Right? Then here
Yes,
how
ma'am.
to take magnitude? It is the square root of a is minus 1.5. That is why minus 1.5 square plus j 2.598. Here b I am supposed to take. So b square is here I have written as a minus. It is actually plus. So plus whatever comes in inside square, minus or plus, it is going to be a positive value, right? So square it and take square root. You get all these values. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is actually called as magnitude spectrum. What is phase spectrum? So the corresponding phase spectrum for the same r is equal to a plus jb. How will you find out the phase? The formula for finding out the phase is angle.
Tan inverse of
Very good. Tan inverse of
b by a or a by b, ma'am.
b by a da karna. Chariya?
Okay, ma'am.
Same. Tan inverse of b by a is correct. Okay, so angle of x of k is equal to tan inverse of b by a. What is b by a? Tell me.
Imaginary part.
Yes. Is there any imaginary part for the first value? No.
No, ma'am. 0.
0 by
Tan-
anything is 0. Okay.
Tan 0, 0.
Right. Right. Okay. Then tan
Yes, ma'am.
of then for the next sequence, I'm just scrolling. See, for the next one, tell me what is the value? 2.598
2.598
divided by
minus 1.5.
very good minus 1.5. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
That you have to put for all the 5 or 6 values and then find out what is the angle. Do you understand? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is amplitude and phase spectrum. If you are asked to draw the graph also, you can draw it neatly. If I am drawing the graph between k and modulus of x of k, then it is called as magnitude spectrum. If you are drawing the graph between k and x of k, it is called as phase spectrum. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is actually the sample problem which is given as assignment for you. It's a sample, but the problem given to you is different. Look at this very carefully, Kanna. Find the 4-point DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to cos n pi by 4. What do you mean by 4-point? What is given?
Length of the sequence.
Very good. What is given? Capital N. Length of the sequence is given. So now we have to assume capital N is equal to 4. Okay. So capital N is equal to 4. Now they have given simply a sequence x of n is equal to cos n pi by 4. Now what is the only hint for us? Capital N equal to 4. Now what is that we can do? We can substitute the value for small n up to n minus 1 to find out the
0
sequence.
to 3.
So first substitute capital N equal to 0, it is cos 0. Then capital N equal to 1, it is cos pi by 4. Then N equal to 2, it is 2 pi by 4, it becomes pi by 2. N equal to 3, it becomes cos 3 pi by 4. Okay. So now substitute all the values. Cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 4 is 0.707, cos pi by 2 is cos 90 is 0, and cos 3 pi by 4 is minus 0.7.
Minus 0.
Did you understand how to expand this? This is the same problem given to you. There I have given cos n pi by 2, I guess. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Change it accordingly. Now apply the formula. What is the formula? X of k equal to summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1. Write down the formula for here. What is the length of the sequence? It is n equal to 4. So now gets shortened to n equal to 0 to 3. X of n into e power minus j 2 pi k n k by capital N. Capital N is 4. K takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3. Understood clearly? Now substitute k equal to 0. What is k equal to 0? Summation of n equal to 0 to 3 x of n into e to the power of 0, which means you expand all these values, and expanding all the values, x of 0 is 1, x of 1 is 0.707, x of 2 is 0, x of 3 is minus 0.707. Expand all these things and find out and check x of 0 is coming as 1. Similarly, for substitute the values for k equal to 1, expand n equal to 0 to 3, k equal to 2, expand n equal to 0 to 3, for k equal to 3, expand n equal to 0 to 3. Okay, so if you are expanding all these things, you will be getting the sequence for x of k. So this is your x of k. Any doubts after this? Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Very good.
No, ma'am.
Illa. Appo, now, what is the next ulta thing we are going to see? Using inverse discrete Fourier transform. இப்போ இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்தது என்ன? We have been given a discrete sequence and we have found out what is discrete Fourier transform. Now the ulta, time domain, instead of giving time domain sequence, they are going to give us a frequency domain sequence, which means x of k they are going to give us. We are supposed to find what is x of n. So now how to find that? Find the IDFT of the sequence x of k equal to, see, normally IDFT x of k abdinale, you will definitely have imaginary part, but very specifically in this problem we don't have it. Okay, so generally x of k pathinga abdina, you will have time, you will have frequency, you will have sequences with imaginary part, but on seeing the imaginary part, don't get tensed. Okay, the answers will definitely be very simple. Now, what is the formula for calculating IDFT? I told you it's a discrete Fourier transform pair. So, x of n is equal to, the only difference is 1 by n. In the place of n, we are going to replace by k. And here, the formula you should not forget. This in inverse, it is positive. Now, n takes the value 0 to n minus 1. So capital N value, tell me what is capital N value from the sequence? 4, right? So N equal to 4 I'm writing. So wherever you have N, you have to substitute capital N equal to 4 value. Okay. Now expand this according to your formula. Last time what we were substituting for each and every value for k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and expanded the sequence for n equal to 0 to 3. Here, அப்படியே ulta. Where n equal to 0. When n equal to 0, what do you do? X of 0 is equal to expand k sequence from 0 to 3. Okay. So this is how you have to do. Next one is n equal to 1 and then n equal to 2 and n equal to 3. So after calculating all these things, you get x of n is equal to, this is the original time domain discrete time sequence. Okay. அப்படியே ulta. Whatever you did, the exact ulta. Okay. Understood clearly? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now there is a formula for you. Now there is a problem for you. Come on, take a paper. I need the answer. Determine the IDFT of. Take down this problem and do it and tell me. Shall I dictate you the problem?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma? The problem is determine the IDFT of x of k is equal to 3 comma 2 plus j comma 1 comma 2 minus j. Okay, ma? Okay? Next, one more problem for you. Derive the DFT of the sample data sequence. Derive the DFT of the sample data sequence. X of n is equal to x of n is equal to 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. One, 1, 2, and compute the corresponding amplitude. Compute the corresponding amplitude and phase spectrum. And phase spectrum. Can you calculate these two? Can you do these two problems and tell me the answer? Are you all solving the problem? I need an answer, ma'am. Are you all solving the problem? I will ask you to show your video right now, whether you're solving the problem or not. How many are solving? Just one or two say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You're all solving? Should I have to assume?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And I'll just move on to the formula. You remember the formula. Let me just take the attendance. Till that, you solve your problem. Okay. Alaya, Mahesh,
Present, ma'am.
Deepak,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Prasad, Lakshmi Prasad. Any idea about him? Others? Did he join the meeting?
Joined, ma'am. It's not coming.
Nama?
He joined, ma'am. Mic problem.
Lakshmi. Okay, ma'am. Rohit present. Sumant?
I'm 44 present, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Sumant present, madam.
Harshavardhan? Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan, I don't think he is present. Sai Chaitanya,
Present, ma'am.
Sumant Kumar, Dasari Sumant Kumar. Dasari Sumant Kumar. Praveen Kumar Reddy. Praveen Kumar Reddy. Dilip.
Present, ma'am.
Bharatwas. Bharatwas. Nikhil Sai.
Present, ma'am.
Gopi Chand.
Present, ma'am.
Anirudh.
Yes, ma'am.
Gopamma Gari.
I'm 97 present, ma'am. Bharatwaj.
Where were you?
Ma'am, I'm net problem, ma'am. It's not coming, ma'am.
நான் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் எடுக்கிறேன்னு யாராவது சொல்லி வந்தியா இல்ல நீங்க வந்துட்டியா?
இல்ல மேம் நான் குரூப்.
சரி, ஓகே. Avinash Reddy.
Present, ma'am.
Venkata Sai.
Present, ma'am.
Harshavardhan.
Present, ma'am.
Manish Reddy.
Present, ma'am.
Venkata Charan. Ma, mute yourself, ma. If you have given the attendance, mute yourself kindly. Nitin Harshavardhan Reddy. 201 is present. Power cut. Masood present. Srinath. Srinath.
Present, ma'am.
Tendulkar.
Srinath.
Present, ma'am.
Mamsi.
Present, ma'am.
Chandu. Chandu is present.
Ma'am, 191 present, ma'am.
Enamma?
191 present, ma'am. You didn't call my name, ma'am.
191. Nitin தானே?
Yes, ma'am.
I heard your voice kanna.
But okay.
Chandu.
இந்த படம் full in person. ఎందుకు
Ma'am.
Oh.
Rajesh, ma'am.
293. Venkatesan. Govardhan Reddy.
Present, ma'am.
Vigneshwaran. Vinod Kumar. Vinod Kumar P.
కాదా ఎవరని చెప్తారా ఫ్రెండ్ అని
Vinod Kumar P.
Vinod Kumar D present.
D present. P. 300. 300. Answer. Jaydeep.
Present, madam.
Yuvaraj. Yuvaraj.
Present, ma'am.
Akshay.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Batrada. Radha. Radha. If you're there, at least give me attendance in the chat box. I'm just looking at chat box also.
Ma'am, 1003 present, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Dhanusha.
Present, ma'am.
Divya. Janisha.
Present, ma'am.
Lokeshwari.
Present, ma'am.
Mahili.
Present, ma'am.
Sharanya.
Present, ma'am.
Swati.
Present, ma'am.
Vidya. Vidya.
Present, ma'am.
Yarni.
Present, ma'am.
Yarni.
Present, ma'am.
Yarni.
Present, ma'am.
Yuvashri.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yarni is also present, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yarni present, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I'm just repeating the absentees. Chinnakamdari Harshavardhan 6051 absent. 6056 absent. 6059 absent. 6300 absent. Only 4 absentees. And the rest of the people who joined the class only today or yesterday, who have been given with the Moodle access, right? Go and watch all the videos. If you have any doubts, you can clarify it with me in the next contact hour. Okay? Did you solve the problem? Are you getting the answer? Any answers? Are you all solving the problem? So if this concept is clear, shall we wind up the class today? How to solve the problem for DFT, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I need yes from all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? do the practice problems. Meanwhile, I can send you the handwritten notes for this particular unit. Yeah, so that you can solve the problems on yourself and upload the assignment without any problem. Somebody asked me yesterday, it is tough, ma'am, to watch the videos. All the videos are only introductory videos. Okay, the problem given to you
Ma'am,
as
56
assignment
present,
is a very what?
ma'am. 56 present, ma'am.
Akshaya, she has a doubt. Ma'am, slot is 4Q31, but in Moodle we are getting assignment for 4P31, ma'am. No, I have uploaded, ma'am. You can't see that? I opened it. Initially, I put to you, all of them in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Small differences there, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am,
no,
it's-
no.
Ma'am, in second question, ma'am, in second question also one more, ma'am. 10 marks one and 3 marks one question, ma'am. Can I show you, ma'am?
No, I don't want 4P31 slot. Your slot question you have to solve. That's it.
Ma'am, it's not open, ma'am. It's restricted, ma'am.
Itself is restricted. Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll check. No, I have created. Can you look at the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I have clearly put restricted, not available to you unless you belong to 4P32 and you belong to 4Q31. So obviously it should be visible for you, right? You click and see. It is coming for me. Why? See, for 4Q31 as it is displaying. I don't know what. Akshaya, what is your doubt? Tell me clearly. I'm just changing my role as a student. For student also it is visible. Akshaya. Tell me what is your doubt, Kana, so that others also get that. Oh, it is not displaying the name of the slot. That is why you are confused. Don't worry. It should display your name also, right? I'll do that right now. Akshay, is that okay now? I don't understand what happened. Now you can see it is staying for the any other have any doubts, ma'am? If you don't have doubts, you can leave the class. If you have any doubts, you can stay in the meet and ask and clear your doubts. If you don't have doubts, you can leave the class.